Process improvement idea in your daily life. What is meant by process improvement? Whatever you are doing in the day or whatever task you are doing, so how you can improve that task in better way, how you can improve a small change that can give a big result. And if you try to implement small thing in every task, it will create a big impact at the end. Just start improving small things in your day-to-day life. Whatever task you are doing, you can consider a small task from waking up from the morning. Like when you wake up, just think about your vision in the morning. When you do this process improvement every day, whole day it will fit in your mind and you will take actions towards your goal. Then before sleeping, what you can do, you can analyze your day, whatever task you have done, whatever productivity you have achieved, whichever tasks are completed, whichever are incomplete. You can plan for next day. Whatever this process improvement you are doing, make note of it, because you will get lot of ideas in a day, but after some time you will forget about those ideas. What was that idea? Until that idea you will implement in your life, you will not get any benefit from it. So for this, what you can do, just write down about that idea. You can use some Google documents or Excel sheet just to keep a note of those ideas. For me, I am using Google Excel sheet. In that I have named it as a process improvement idea, and every day whatever ideas I am getting, I will just write it down in that Google Excel sheet. I mentioned its date, on which date I got that idea, what is that idea title, and I have provided a description about that idea. Just implement it for few days and see the results. If you are getting any benefit, you can continue that process improvement. You can add the process improvement in your daily life and get the benefit. But if you are not getting any benefit, then you can remove that particular habit from your day-to-day life. Also, once you do one thing continuously, it will become your habit. Like if you want to improve communication skill, just read every day for 30 minutes clearly and loudly. So once you do this same thing every day, after some time you can see your pronunciation has been increased, your vocabulary has been increased, and this became your habit. Like whatever you are reading it loudly and clearly. Also, to track your habit, you can use some different applications. For me, I am using a habit tracker, where whatever things I do repeatedly on every day, I added those all habits in that habit tracker. I am using a mobile application to track my habits, and every day before sleeping I update my habits, whatever things I have done in a day. There is a check mark and there is a date column. In that date column, we need to select the check box. Also, it will show the how many times you have completed that particular task in a month, in a week. It will show the graph as well. Now, why this process improvement is needed? Because if you live life in a straight, you will not achieve anything in your life. You have to improve the quality of your life every day. How you can improve the quality of life? Just by adding whatever things you are doing. Just try to find out how you can improve any particular thing. You can think about it, you can brainstorm on that particular task, and definitely once you will ask questions to universe or to yourself, definitely you will get its answer. Universe will provide you an answer for it, and once it will become your habit, like finding a process improvement idea, you will find a lot of changes in yourself. There it will be a very big distinguishing factor between you and a normal person. You will not remain as normal. You will become extraordinary, because well cannot be done in one day. You have to work every day, and once you do the repeated kind of work, one day you will find your well will be ready and you will get some water. And once you do this continuously, one day you will definitely get result. According to Shiv Khera, he says successful people don't do different things, they do things differently. Now, if you understand what is the difference between these two, like there is one task, you are also doing the task and some other person is also doing the task. Okay, if you are following the same procedure to do the task, both will be same. You will be a normal person, but if you think like how you can achieve that task in a small time or in a short span of time, how you can do that particular task in better way, which things you can add in that particular task so that it will become an extraordinary.